Hey. So, I'm out here and I'm about to deal with some little things. And what I'm going to do is try to chemically strip them. So, I've got the Citristrip and I'm going to try to use that on these. So, there's just, it's hard to get in these areas. I could probably do it if I got a die grinder and sanding piece on it. That would probably work. But I figure why not try this out. So that's what I'm going to do. That way we don't mess up any of the metal or anything like that on these. So I'm just going to wipe them down. I'm going to coat them and put them and wrap them in plastic and let them sit for a day. And then we'll see what happens. Alright, I got those two pieces bagged up and now they'll sit for a day or so and we'll see what happens. I don't really think I like it already, but that's why these aren't coated. I'm going to go ahead and just sand those down, so I might have to get some disc or something to better get into the little pieces of this. So, alright man, later. Alright guys, as you saw, the citrus stuff does work. Now I took off mostly just the one layer, so I'm going to go ahead and recoat them and then let them sit again for another day and see what happens. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But I mean, it definitely does what it's supposed to, getting the paint off. It's just a tedious process here, so it's probably not going to be as effective as you'd like. It's not aircraft stripper like the good stuff, but hey, it's doing what it's supposed to. Alright guys, so I did come out here and kind of scrape them off and then just set these over to the side to dry. I feel like probably should have just scrubbed them with a standard kitchen sponge and some water, and it would have cleaned a lot more of this up. Did do a little bit of scraping, but two rounds of the citrus stuff does pretty good. I mean, it's just a lot of mess. So that's really what it comes down to. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in some water, let them soak a little bit, and probably find a sponge to kind of wipe them down, and then we'll see what we have left.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the